eat with Snap-on Smile? Or can you drink with it? And the answer is absolutely yes. I would not be promoting this product if patients were not able to function completely. You can drink coffee, you can drink wine, you can eat, and you can drink with no problem. So we're going to show you that right now. Okay, let's try the water. Go ahead and take a sip of that water. Anything loose?
Nope.
Anything falling out?
Nope.
All right, let's try the cookie. We'll take a nice bite of that lovely cookie. Remember, brush your teeth after. How's it feel? No problem?
No problem.
Anything loose?
Nothing loose.
Anything falling out?
Nothing falling out.
These appliances are super retentive. They fit over your existing teeth strictly by retention. So give us a call, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady.